o te tūna ina uawa malo whāloana so tu ina ai pa ia malo au pikopo malo lato au waa fia Molimau ina fo'i ia mama futanga masi o tina kaisalina ai funga e vanga. Wasola manalis. Ta o maua e whetalainga o tasi me le whanaunga uso anti e funga. A leo to o nua longu ia tau mai e ia wai loa seo anti ua o vame los futa sango te le su la ia tunu ngai ia te mun o folom osi lo ngoi ngoi pokala my auntie lo tinao e funga e sia na ia winga a fainge ia fatasinga mato ainga va o solo pisa ho e no halo auntie le la ngonga se leo. My auntie is a very humble woman. Le fa esiala na lofa lana fa now my mato fa now my kids tolu nana lo fa now nana masina nana sarafa ma nana fu and nana fu she's the reason why leanga ingi fu kami. So my auntie, she's very funny. Auntie fua ma lotina e le whenga luenga ai mai kau mai la ua ia so totongi a tangata whenga luenga. Every time I come home and they're drinking their boogie and they know that it's a Thursday on a fortnight and they're both like this, they're sitting there like this. I say, hola! They're like, skatu. I love my auntie for. When I was younger, I remember she used to make the supos for us. Yeah, aya uma. And I was really skinny when I was little, and I could never finish it, but I could never, as if I never let us leave the table until we finished all the food. I love my auntie for. Fua whawhitai mo o whautuanga mo lapitainga mo I maua ma e lia. Na wafo e lia no nunuma o maua ainga. E lenga lo e auntie fua. I love you and I'm sorry if I did anything to make you angry, but that was the one thing about my auntie. Everyone gets mad, but not my auntie fua. She's always happy. No te whai e le Molimau sa whai suis. Amen.